plenty of truck driving jobs. These guys here contract with the military to transport military vehicles from the West Coast to the various forts, military bases. Up on top there is where the soldier would sit and fire upon the enemy, hoping for a strike and a kill. And this is an Oshkosh. I've seen these before. You see the brand name right there. Sort of sounds like a baby clothing line or something, but it's an Oshkosh military vehicle, and you saw it here on the For Guest Network. Very, very large, very, very not what you normally see here at Walmart. And you saw it here today on the For Guest Network.